Chakravarti and I'm from INS.
Hi.
Firstly, sir, before I ask my questions, एक बहुत major question है because मैं इतनी तारीफें सुन रही थी आपकी. Sir, how do you up your own game every time you come on screen?
I have no idea. I just like what I do. Nothing more than that.
Because I think, there's so much of love just coming your way.
Yeah, and I'm really humbled by it, and I'm truly saying it. I'm so happy that I have found so much of love in life.
Also, if I talk about your latest project, sir, it's a guts on toast topic, I would like to say, because romance and companionship in the later stages of life is, relatively like less explored in Hindi cinema, in the mainstream cinema. So, how do you see this? How do you see this narrative being appreciated by the younger people or by people who actually think that there can be love beyond youth?
So when I was writing this script, and so there were many doubts, which people in good intention they reflected it to me, reflected on me, and they said that this is a story of an older couple. So will the Gen Z like it, or will the youngsters like it? I never had a doubt because the way the story is told and the way the characters are. So I say, interesting thing in the film, you see this old couple which is leading a perfect life, obviously with whatever is the tragedy of life. They're leading it. It's everything is settled.
True.
Then it is something breaks inside, and it just moves the waves in their life, and they become like kids. They start fighting like kids. They start expressing and their emotions जो हैं वो एकदम से खुल के सामने आते हैं. It becomes so they are the youngest old people, So I said, why youngsters will not connect with the story, because this is a story of two old-looking young people.
But sir, whenever we talk about romance, we've always connected somewhere, हम youth को ही connect करते हैं. We've never thought about old people's love. How did that happen? And do you think that will actually create a wave? Because this is something very new. It's like a whiff of fresh air.
देखिए, प्यार तो बिना प्यार के तो हम रह नहीं पाते हैं.
True.
हम हमेशा ही प्यार करते हैं. वो प्यार के जो प्यार का एक्सप्रेशन बदलता जाता है. And obviously, it's way much more physical when you're young because your hormones are jumping. So वो जो एक हार्मोन का पावर है, वो प्यार जो है जिसमें फिजिकलिटी बहुत है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, जल्दबाजी बहुत है ना, एक एक्साइटमेंट बहुत है, फिजिकल एक्साइटमेंट कहना चाहिए बहुत है. वो एक तरह का प्यार होता है, एंड यूजुअली वी कनेक्ट विद दैट, बट वी नेवर स्टॉप लविंग. We keep loving. जैसे कि एक ये भी एक्सप्रेशन है. It's a beautiful, lovely love feeling that when you open your eyes, you are the best person in this world is next to you sleeping.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful
True.
feeling. That's also love.
And going by the title, Jab Khuli Kitab, if we talk about Khuli Kitab, sir, do you think it is important to be a Khuli Kitab in front of your partner? Or is it okay to have certain parts of your life like not informed?
You should not hide things. At least I believe that. Hiding has a problem. Because hiding once broken or busted, it creates the feeling of betrayal, and I have seen this very sensitively. I'm telling you this very clearly, and I've understood this number of times. It's not about what has happened. You kept me in the dark. You never told me that, and that's a bigger betrayal. You never try that. So it starts questioning everything. It's not just about what you did. That means you did not trust me enough that I will understand. And that's a much bigger hurt. So I think that ideally you should have a relationship where you can. मैं आपको सॉरी एक छोटी सी चीज और बताता हूँ,
जी।
एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है
जी।
इस फिल्म के बारे में।
जी।
जब खोली किताब, इसका जो सोल है, वो कहानी आप लिखते हैं उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें आप सोचते हैं, क्लाइमैक्स होता है, सारी चीजें होती हैं, आप सब कुछ है, लेकिन उसके अंदर एक सोल होता है, एक कोई बात होती है, वो कहाँ से आती है, कभी कहीं से भी आ सकती है। इस फिल्म में लिखते वक्त, इस फिल्म में आई केम अक्रॉस अ लाइन बाय रूमी। उनकी लाइन थी, लाइट ऑलवेज एंटर्स थ्रू द क्रैक इन द वॉल,
Yeah.
and it was so wonderful.
Cool, yeah.
So what happens here? This couple was leading a perfect life. It was a strong love, a wall which did not have any cracks. One truth came, it broke the wall, it cracked everything. But as a byproduct, what entered was the light of truth.
Yes.
And the room got illuminated by this light. So, interestingly, आप सोचिए, और ये सवाल है फिल्म के अंदर, कि जब सच सामने आ जाता है तो फिर तो छुपाने के लिए कुछ बचा नहीं भाई। देन तो यू नो ऑड्स एंड इवेंट्स ऑफ द योर पार्टनर, सो आपको सब अगर पता लग गया है, उसके बाद अगर आप साथ रहते हैं, सो हाउ ट्रूथफुल दैट रिलेशन इज, बिकॉज यू हैव अंडरस्टूड कि यार ये तो ऐसा है या ऐसा था या ऐसा हुआ, so there's nothing to hide, and it's a beautiful, and that's exactly what they discover, and then their romance and their love, they find a new definition of love.
According to you, what would make a perfect relationship and a marriage? Is there a thing called perfect relationships and marriages?
Thank God there is nothing called perfect in anything in this world. We are imperfect people.
Yeah.
We should celebrate imperfection. Perfection is highly boring. Perfection means there is no other chance of any improvement. Imperfection is that there's still something can be done about this, which is life. So I think the only perfect thing right now, from a human perspective, I'm saying,
Yeah.
I don't know about post-death or anything, but I think the only perfect thing in this life, which is absolutely perfect, is death.
Yeah. And the only truth.
उसके बाद क्या होता है वो मालूम नहीं, हो सकता है जब वो जाएंगे उधर तो समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या है। लेकिन अभी तक तो कुछ पता नहीं।
So circling back to my introduction when I said that how do you up your own game? So when I think bacha, like people of all ages know all the characters you have played, right? So whenever you come on screen or whenever you take on a role, is there a responsibility or is there a pressure on your shoulder कि हाँ भाई मैंने ये role से तो इतना I've left an impact, there's memory etched in people's mind with this character, and now doing this character इसका और अच्छा करना है, वो pressure, वो responsibility आपके shoulder पे feel होती है क्या?
नहीं होती है, और थैंक गॉड वो नहीं होती है, क्योंकि अगर वो होती तो फिर आप कर नहीं सकते। आई एम सेइंग, आप क्रिकेट देखती हैं?
जी।
क्रिकेट के लेजेंड्स आपको मालूम ही है ना? पहले गावस्कर थे, फिर सचिन तेंदुलकर थे, धोनी साहब हुए, अपने कोहली हैं, है ना? कांत कोहली हैं, तो और बहुत सारे हैं, एक नहीं है, बहुत सारे हैं। द वंडरफुल वंडरफुल प्लेयर्स। आप सच में इनसे कभी पूछिएगा कि आप जब खेलते हैं तो क्या आप पे प्रेशर होता है कि आप सेंचुरी आपने पिछली बार बनाई थी, इस बार फिर बनानी है? No. They just play it for the love and fun of it.
Yeah.
Each ball they are playing is that fun. Same thing. You don't actually carry your baggage when you go to create art. You don't. You just go for the fun of it. I've got a chance to create another thing. That's it. और जब जिस दिन आपके दिमाग में बात आ जाएगी ना, मैं ये सच में कहता हूँ to every aspiring artist, जिस दिन आपके दिमाग में ये बात आ गई that you have to create or you're responsible to create a classic, you will never be able to create classic.
True.
Classics are not created. You create something and that becomes classic. Simple as that.
Also, like I said, that you're loved universally, sir. In a career spanning over 3 decades, I mean, wow, that's too long, sir. And so many characters again, and of course, you're a filmmaker as well. And this question comes. I mean, it's an alarming question for me because I think मैंने अपने बचपन में कितने अच्छे movies देखे थे, जैसे हम हैं राही प्यार के, मकड़ी, भूतनाथ, भूत अंकुर, स्टैनली का डब्बा. I mean, I can name it all right now. Sir, as a filmmaker, do you think innocence is dead right now in cinema? Because we don't have these films anymore?
No. Who says that? I think that those who say that, वो innocent है कि नहीं है मालूम नहीं है, but they are definitely naive. No, innocent. How can innocent die? Or
Innocence in the sense, like, I mean, the films that we cater to children now is far less than what we.
you have to understand. I mean, what you saw as a child.
Yeah.
You know, there was a child psychology in the society that time. Whereas the child psychology now, as a society, has changed. आपसे पहले आपके फादर के बचपन के टाइम पे चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी, तो ये तो बदलता हुआ समाज है ना. सो ऐसा नहीं है. नो इनोसेंस इज लॉस्ट. यस, ऑफ कोर्स we are in an information age, and kids are exposed to much more than what we were exposed to. But that's how life is. It'll go on like that. I think that it's innocence is there.
So, picking a leaf from the previous interview about King, so you've gone viral. Okay,
Okay, about what?
About 70% Bollywood being in.
What?
Anyway,
What is to be viral in that?
no, that comment has gone viral. My question to you is, sir, right now we're seeing like a lot of films that has like ensemble cast. Do you think that that's the new grammar for making movies in mainstream cinema?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. देखिए, of course, ensemble cast तो is a great thing to happen, where you know each character is treated with dignity. That's why each character, each actor becomes an integral part of that, and that's how we call it an ensemble cast. तो वो तो वैसे ही अपने आप में हर फिल्म में होनी चाहिए ensemble cast. Point ये है कि when people when this question was asked to me that about King, so I said 70% of the industry is there. What I mean by that, one, King is a very big film.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And when I say 70% of the industry, it does not only mean that only actors भाई. Simple as that. But the industry is not made of actors. And actors में भी 70%, 80% होंगे लोग, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But everybody wants to be a part of that big film. That's what it is. So it's there, and everybody loves Shah Rukh. So one call from his office, or he calls personally, I mean, you will give your right arm to work with him.
True. So how many scenes do you have? Like, can you share that?
No, not at all. You have to
Sir.
buy the ticket and see it. And they will only reveal how much they want to reveal about the film. I'm
So
nobody
ये
to...
तो छोटा सा था सर, ये तो कि हाँ सीन्स है.
आप
नहीं है.
चाहें तो जब खुली किताब के बारे में वो मैंने बनाई है, जितना बोलेंगे उतना रिवील कर दूंगा.
वो तो
But
देगी,
not
sir.
about King.
Okay, sir. But sir, you know, you've like again from taking a leave from the previous interview, also like Badshah, क्या कहते हैं, Hey Ram,
जी.
and to King. As a filmmaker, how has the arc for Shah Rukh sir like evolved or changed arc from there, from Badshah to now, from 1999 to now?
Again, it's a question of, it is a question for analysts who can analyze.
No, on human level. I mean,
On human level, I mean, his journey is wonderful. I mean, he has been working for so many years, and the way he has carved his whole career, the position he holds, and as a person, he has always been a very charming person.
Yeah.
You meet him and you just don't want the talk to end because he's so charming. You know, he makes you, and I'm telling you that he makes, when he's talking to you, he makes you feel so important that you feel that, no, I am needed in this talk, you know. That's what Shah Rukh does. So he's so wonderful.
sir, how well versed are you with memes?
Memes.
Yeah.
Meme कुछ तो देखे हैं मैंने.
Or you know, real culture.
Reel culture, everybody is infected with that. I am also infected with that.
Sir,
I keep watching reels all the time.
आपके बहुत आते हैं, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आते हैं, genuinely बहुत cute cute से करते हैं
अच्छा।
आपके. So, how does that feel? Like, do you think that social media validation today is needed?
I'm not a no. It really doesn't. And truly, I'm saying this. I mean, it really doesn't matter to me that validate. It feels great, but that is not a do or die situation for me. It is not that if my memes are not coming, I'll start feeling depressed. यार मेरी तो बात ही नहीं कर रहा है. अरे मेरी बात तब करेंगे ना जो. I love. This feeling what you're talking about happens to me in a performance.
Okay.
In the context of a film, when you talk about that, then I feel happy. Otherwise, meme है यार. ठीक है.
The cute memes बनते हैं बहुत अच्छे
हाँ,
अच्छे.
बहुत अच्छे
और वो
बनते हैं.
नायक वाले तो इतने अच्छे हैं ना सर. उफ.
Very good.
So before I go, I want to say that my first tryst with Hindi music was Kallu Mama. I don't know why my parents did not have parental control on TV, but that was the song. And I think life's a full circle for me right now because from Kallu Mama to actually sitting across and talking to you is like a huge, huge journey. I want to know some fun anecdotes and I want to know how that song was made because I can't forget your look in that film or in the song. Share some fun thing with me.
Okay, so I don't know whether I can tell it in a fun way or not, but I'll tell you exactly what happened. So, Kallu Mama song, देखिए जिस ज़माने में आपको कॉन्टेक्स्ट समझना पड़ेगा. जिस ज़माने में वो फिल्म बनी थी उस समय पे एक ट्रेडिशन था, एक सेट प्रेसिडेंस था कि फिल्मों के गाने जो थे वो कम से कम 3 से 4 दिन में शूट होते थे. कम से कम अच्छे बड़े गाने जो है 10 दिन 15 दिन में शूट होते थे. तो 3-4 दिन का था. यू नो इन हाउ मेनी डेज दैट सॉन्ग वाज शॉट. It was shot in exactly 5.5 hours.
What?
It was shot in 5.5 hours. And understand, it was not a multiple camera setup. It was a one camera setup. ठीक है? Okay. So there was this wild energy. Okay? It wasn't choreographed. It was like free for all. ठीक है? And the best thing was they provided real beer
Wow.
to shoot, which of course we did not drink because we were working. We are not stupid, you know. So we did not drink, but उसका fizz है ना ये सब करने के बाद. And the amazing thing बाद वो 5.5 घंटे में पैकअप हुआ. Then we were ready for the party, and my home was the party place. तो मेरे पास कार थी तो मेरी कार में सब लोग बैठ गए. सारे जितने मेन एक्टर्स थे, मनोज था, मैं था, आदित्य श्रीवास्तव था उस दिन, बहुत सारे लोग थे. तो बैठ के हम लोग अपनी गाड़ी में जा रहे थे एंड सडनली हमारी कार रोकी गई और हम लोगों ने कॉस्ट्यूम चेंज नहीं की थी, उसी कॉस्ट्यूम में घर जा रहे थे. तो खोला, उसने दरवाज़ा खोला एंड ही सेड बाप रे अंदर क्या पूरा का पूरा भट्टी लगा रखी है तुम लोगों ने. तो हमने कहा नहीं सर हमने कुछ नहीं पिए. हमने बाय गॉड ही सेड क्या नहीं पिए. कहला पूरा तो कार तुम्हारी एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कि समंदरों अंदर पूरा शराब का. तो दैट वाज द थिंग.
Great, sir. Lovely speaking to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And coming of music, I'll also tell you.
Yes.
Please tell people, hear the music of Jab Khuli Kitab. It's wonderful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, peppy, very young, and it's done by 2 absolutely new music composers. One is Pratijyoti Ghosh, who has done the background score of it and produced the songs and arranged it, and Rita Jaya Banerjee, who is the composer of original songs.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.